Hello viewers. Today in modern man's life we see that education has gained much importance and significance because it has become the backbone of the economy of every family. First of all, there were kings and their kingdoms, and people used to fight and gain wealth. But today, the main source of gaining wealth is education alone. So, education provides a good economic life if we are qualified to a very higher degree or a reputed degree. Today's topic of discussion is how to provide our children secured education in life. Every parent wishes that their pupil must take higher education. So, today, in front of every Indian parent, the most problematic issue is how to make their children secure in matter of education and future. Because today's Indian education system is not providing assurity or conformity in getting jobs for earning money and give us financial and social stability. Education of today has been made fully commercialized and fake. Rich people are giving heavy bribe to education authorities head and purchasing degrees of any stature. The proverb money makes mayor go proves absolutely correct in today's educational system. After all, if a poor intellectual student struggles a lot and receives higher education anyhow, then the court of judges who are empowered to give job or to grant job ask big capital for securing the particular job. The question arises from where he will bring the bulk revenue to gain the job. Thus, his whole educational career becomes meaningless and fruitless. If the Indian government fails to grant jobs to such talented students, then they will seek the opportunity to get job in foreign countries which are always really in eagerness to provide job to such talented students who can use their skill in empowerment of their country. So what is happening is that brain gain is turning into brain drain. Our present Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi, realized and acknowledged this monstrous fault which is happening in our country, and with that foresighted objective alone, he has started the enormous project Make in India and Self-Reliant India. Under this nationwide mission, our government machinery is providing every golden chance and opportunity to every genius, innovative, intellectual and productive Indian youth to come forward and prove his potential skill through inventing and discovering newer aspects and measures to make our country reach the topmost rank in the developed nations in the world. He is giving initiative to all scholars, genuine minds to work for their own country's development, upliftment, and thus transforming our India into self-reliant nation in all spheres and provisions. Thank you.